Hi, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to do a sample lesson for you from our Nancy Larson Science 1. So I'm going to show you here. This is our science curriculum, Nancy Larson Science 1, and we are going to be going through our lesson. This is my two children. They're going to be participating, and we're just going to show you what it is like to have a scripted lesson, what kind of things are included, what you need to do to prepare. So we're just going to go through it, and I hope you enjoy it and it clarifies some things for you. All right, so today we are on lesson 50. We're learning about the body, remember? Mm-hmm. So in your last science lesson, you learned the names of some of your bones. What do you call all the bones together that form your body?
Your skeleton. Your skeleton.
That's right. Okay, do you remember, Selah, how many bones are in the human skeleton?
206.
That's right. Okay, where is the largest bone located?
In your upper leg.
Your upper leg, that's right. What is it called?
Your frenulum.
No, what's this bone called? Your upper leg.
Your mandible.
Your
femur.
Femur. Point to your femur. Okay?
Femur's right here.
So the bones in your head make up your skull. Okay, the skull goes all the way around. What do we call the bones in your skull that protect your brain?
Cranium.
Cranium, that's right. Okay, so point to your cranium. Yeah, so they go all the way around the top, they protect your brain. Which bone in your skull moves when you eat and talk?
I know. The mandible.
The mandible. Can you point to your mandible?
It's right here.
Yeah, so it's this. It goes to the bottom of, yeah. Okay. Where is the smallest bone in your body?
Inside the ear.
Inside
and
your ears.
It's called.
Do you remember? It starts with the S. Nope.
Stable.
Stapies. Can you say stapies?
Stapies.
Okay. So today we get to open up our X-rays.
Woo!
Who's excited?
Yay!
All right, I'm gonna pull these out.
Oh my goodness, those are cool.
Aren't these cool?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to look at a very specific one today. There's a whole bunch of them
How
here.
about we make the skeleton? Like,
You want to put it all together? Maybe we can do that after, but let's finish our lesson first, okay?
Okay.
So,
That is.
I'm going to show you one of them here.
That,
Lift it up.
I think that goes up.
What part of your body do you think this is? This is an X-ray of a part of the human body.
Oh my goodness. I know what it's called.
Okay, well, first of all, what is an X-ray?
An X-ray is when you can see your bone.
Okay. An X-ray is a photograph that allows you to see the bones in your body. Okay? So what bones do you think this X-ray shows?
Your.
I might have it upside down.
Nope.
Okay, no, I don't. Okay, what bones do you think this shows? I'm gonna put it near where it goes.
Can you tell what start with?
Well, what bones do you think this is?
Lungs. Your
Okay, it protects your lungs. What are these called? These bones.
Ribs.
Ribs, that's right, your ribs. It also shows your spine, okay? And it's called the vertebrae. Can you say vertebrae?
Vertebrae. I can feel it.
Yeah.
And also on your back.
Isn't that neat? So if I take off the paper backing, you can see it's actually see-through like that. And it's really, we'll put it up to the window after or next to a light and you can see even better.
Through?
Yeah, we'll do that after though, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna show you this one. What do you think this is?
Your skull, and it's so creepy.
Your skull. That's what it looks like if they take an X-ray of your skull.
That's creepy.
That's right. Okay. What do you think this one is?
Your hand.
Your hand. An X-ray of your hand. Look at all the little bones in your hand.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna do one more. What do you think this one is, Selah?
Your feet.
Your feet. See, Caleb?
Big.
Okay, today we're going to learn about joints. Can you say joints?
Joint.
Joints. Okay, so...
It's when you have it like this, see?
What?
It's this
right
one
here.
is on right here.
Right here.
Okay, yes, we're done though. We're just going to use these ones today.
Oh,
Move these
okay.
over.
Look, Mom. Look at my head.
So you don't get distracted. Nice head. Okay,
Thank you.
so today we're learning about joints. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Okay, did you hear what I said?
Mm-hmm.
Joints allow your body to bend, turn, twist. Okay, so bend your arm at your elbow. Okay, the joint at your elbow allows you to bend your arm. Move your fingers and your wrist. The joints between the many bones in your fingers and wrist allow you to bend, turn, and twist them. Make a large circle with your arm. Kind of hard because I've got the table and wall, but
Wait, watch.
okay. Whoa, some fast circles there. The joint between the bones in your arm and your shoulder, right here, allows you to turn your arm like this. Okay, so stand up, Caleb, right there, and touch your toes.
Ooh.
Okay. The joints between the 33 vertebrae in your spine allow you to bend your back. So between your spines, so see, here's your spine. See, these are your vertebrae. All of these little, they go all the way down our spine. There's joints in between all of them that allow us to bend our back. Okay? What other parts of your body have joints that allow you to bend, twist, or turn?
Oh, I know, in your knees.
Your knees, that's right. Sayla, can you think of one?
Your arms.
Okay, we already did arms. Can you think of a different one? Look over there. Look over here.
Oh, your neck.
Your neck.
Mom,
Yeah.
I understand what this means. Your vertebrates are the ones that's meaning that your bones connect.
No, joints are where your
Oh, your joints.
joints are where bones connect.
They send letters to.
What about your toes?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and your feet, your ankles, right here.
Mom?
Okay, so let's look at another x-ray. Who's ready for another one?
Not me. I don't like them. They're creepy.
You don't like them?
They look creepy.
Mom, kill.
Okay. What do you think this is?
Leg.
Well, it shows you. It shows
No, it's
you.
this.
It's this. What's this right here?
Yeah.
What's this right here?
Oh, your joint.
That's your knee. Okay. So the joint, see the space between the bones right there?
Yeah.
That is the joint, and it's what allows you to bend your leg, okay? So let's look at another one. Let's look at the hand. Oh, I lost the paper for it.
Oh, there it is. Same.
Okay, so here's a hand.
That's creepy.
So the space between the bones, can you see the space between the bones? Where are spaces? Okay, thank you. Here, hand off, please. Hand off, please. Where's the spaces between the bones? Point to them.
Boop, boop, boop,
Yes.
boop.
Look at all of those. Those are all joints. Here, spaces. Here, spaces. Look at all the joints that are in your finger. Look at all the spaces between the bones.
Wait, why is there one
all
there?
the joints in your fingers. Why is there one there? Because look. So you've got a joint here,
You can actually see.
a joint here, a joint here.
You can actually see where the joints are because of these.
Well, those are kind of almost like wrinkles because of all the times we
See,
bend them,
guys,
right?
you can feel them. 1, 2.
Yeah. That's your knuckles. Okay, so
Yeah, we have that right now. I told the bones. Yeah,
okay, so I have a book. Are you listening? Sit back, Caleb. I have a book that will help you learn more about your body. Okay, what is this called, Caleb?
Your ideas.
Nope. What's this called?
Oh, your insides.
Your insides. Okay? Let's read what this book has to say about joints. Okay?
Well, does it actually show?
Yeah, can you put it down? Okay, so the title of these 2 pages is Joints Let You Bend. Okay? Bones cannot bend. They are stiff and hard. But every time you move, you have to bend. Shh. You can move because your skeleton has joints. Joints are the places where your bones meet. Joints let you walk and run and skip and hop. Your shoulder is a ball and socket joint. It lets you swing your arm around. See this one? It's a ball and socket joint. See? Yep. So it can go around like this. Your knee is a hinge joint, like this. This is a hinge. See it? You see the hinge? It acts like the hinge on a door to let your lower leg move back and forth. Can your leg move this way and this way?
No.
Can it swing around like your shoulder?
No.
No, because it's different. It's a hinge. It only goes this way and this way.
That's good.
How many joints are in one finger? Can you count them?
2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Put one here so you can go that way.
Okay.
Put one here so you can bend your finger. And one there.
So, what new word do you think I will write on our science word list today? Our word list.
Joints?
Joints. Very good. So we're going to write joints on here. And you know, what does our science word list help us do? Especially you, Selah. What do you like about this? It helps you with what? Spelling the words? Does it help you spell the words when you can see them?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is something you learned in today's science lesson?
Well, we learned about joints.
Yes. Okay, in your next science lesson, you're going to learn about muscles.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Are we doing that
Okay, so we're going to open up, we're going to do our lesson review 50. Can you guys open your books to lesson review 50?
Wait, we're doing it right now?
Mm-hmm. And then if you'd like, we can put together our skeleton. Okay, so write your name on top and you're going to do your lesson review. Do you need some help, Selah?
Okay, there. Look at that.
There you go. Do you have a pencil?
Yep.
So write your name on top. Nice, neat printing. Don't forget B, line, then up and around. That way.
I almost got the other.
Good, I know. All right, do you need help reading it?
Your joints.
Let's read together, okay? Fill in the circle next to the correct answer.
Hey, joints.
Why are the joints in your body important? Is it because A, joints help you bend, turn, and twist? B, joints protect your brain? Or C, joints keep your body stiff? Why are joints important? What do they do for us? That's right. So circle or color in the A. Okay, number 2, read with me. Which joint helps you throw a ball? So pretend you're throwing a ball. Okay, is it your femur, your mandible, or your elbow?
Your elbow.
Yes. So color that in. Good job. Okay, read together. Circle the picture showing a person's spine. Is this the spine or is this the spine? Good. Last one. Circle the word that names something inside your body. Do you have twigs inside your body?
No.
Blood or roots? What's inside your body? Blood. Well, we have roots in our teeth, but yes, blood. Okay, good job. Now, would you guys like to use all these x-rays and lay them out on the floor and make a human body out of them?
Yeah.
Like this? Look, this picture can help us do that. Would you guys like to do that? Would you like to put them all together?
Wait, will it even show the black stuff?
Well, yes, because that's the edges, right? So it's going to look more like this when we put it together. Are you guys ready? Let's put them all on the floor.
Wait,
Close your books.
What about the video?
Yeah, I'll take care of that. So close your books, take these onto the floor, and we want to make sure we have paper on the back of them. Don't take the paper off because the paper is going to help us see them a little bit easier on the floor.
Way better.
Okay, so go ahead, go onto the floor. I'm just going to find the paper for these ones. I'll pass them to you.
Lots of paper.
Wow, some of these are going to be tricky. Good thing there's a picture on the side, right?
Yeah.
But look.
All right, there we go. We have our skeleton next to the bodies right there.